Hello, my name is Robert Borges from MarineMax Miami, and today we're aboard the 50 GLS from Cruiser Yachts. Now we're going to go through 5 features and benefits. Feature 1, let's start with the power package offered, which is the 600 V12s from Mercury. Very powerful, dual transmission, get the boat up and going extremely quick, over 50 mile an hour top speeds, and we can couple that with the bow thruster and joystick option. The boat is not only a very exciting boat to drive, but extremely maneuverable when you're at the dock. Second feature is the entertainment amenities. You have dual grills back here in the transom area, which makes a great little summer kitchen. Both swim platforms will go down, taking the beam to over 20 feet, which you can see will give you a massive space for entertaining. Very smart seating configuration that lends itself to conversation, and also just laying out and grabbing some rays. You have a sure shade system that comes out, very similar to what we have in our Azulot product. Again, very elegant, very smooth operation on that. And the seating continues forward with a space here at the table. Helm seating, very comfortable. You can have conversations with the captain while underway. And then bow seating. So all in all, a ton of space for entertaining, a ton of seating space, which is very important on a day out on the water. And what would a day yacht be without a top-of-the-line audio and visual entertainment system? You can see with the JL speakers all over the boat, every space that we can put sound on, we did. You have a massive pop-up big screen TV, all controlled by C-Zone electronic switching at the helm. In addition to RGB lighting accents all throughout the hardtop and below in the seating. So this is really an entertainer's dream when it comes to audio and visual packages. The fourth feature I would like to talk about is climate control. Down in Miami, an enclosed space like this could get very hot very quickly. Cruisers has done an excellent job about putting an outdoor air conditioning system that really gets you exactly where you need it. Huge vents supply AC to this whole cockpit area. Vents behind the chairs give you a nice cooling feature while you're seated. Vents at the helm for the captain and co-captain. Defroster, not so much, but a lot of air conditioning and a lot of comfort in terms of climate control. If you wanted to let the outdoor air in, the sunroof is great, and the full pass-through hydraulic sliding glass door can be either run open or closed, so you can have as enclosed as you want to with full AC, very comfortable, or open it up to the exterior outlets. And finally, we need to talk about the interior cabin space on the 50 GLS. It really is impressive, not only the fit and finish inside the cabin, a very large aft entertaining space that could be used to watch a nice movie, or if you have some kids sleeping over. But really the point that is very impressive is a private door to the V-berth area. And not only does it give you privacy, but it's an expansive space to get in out of the sun and relax for the day. Also, a very well appointed head with a separate shower. All excellent features on the 50 GLS. Thank you for joining us on the 5 features and benefits walkthrough of the 50 GLS. As you can see, the boat is an expansive entertainment space and very well equipped with the latest electronics and control packages. Again, my name is Robert Borges at MarineMax Miami.